Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the guest faculty recruitment from the two central government universities. There is no exam and there is no application fee. And while coming to the walk-in interview is also online. That means you can attend the walk-in interview by simply sitting in your home. Okay, so you need not to travel anywhere. And here there is an opportunity for the non-UGC NET candidates and for the UGC NET candidates also. Okay, so let us see the details regarding these two notifications from the two central universities. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is the Tejpur University. So it is a central university from Assam. And here you can check down that walk-in interview based upon the online for the guest faculties. So you need not to pay anything and you need not to travel to anywhere. By simply sitting in the home itself, you can attend the interview. And once if you selected based upon your performance in the interview, then you can join in the job. So Tejpur University is looking for guest faculties for various departments as given in the detailed advertisement. So interested candidates with biodata and testimonials may register and appear before selection committee as per the detailed advertisement which is available in the website, official website of this Tejpur University. And this notification released on the 10th December 2020, that means just 2 days back. And coming to the thing, yeah, here the department and the number of positions, the social work, one position, one vacant position is there, the subject specialization, the social work, and the essential qualification and emoluments, that is eligibility is a master's degree with 55% of marks, okay, in a concerned relevant allied subject. And apart from this one, the candidate must qualify the NET, UGC NET or the SLET or SET, and the candidates who finish the PhD as per the regulations 2009 or 16, and they are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. So, and the candidates who finish the PhD, the PhD must follow these rules and regulations that is mentioned here. Next one is applied science, one position is there, chemistry, specialization in organic physical chemistry. And here for this one also the eligibility is the same, okay, whatever the eligibility mentioned previously, the same thing is there. And next one, coming to the education, total 5 positions, 5 vacant positions are there. So in education for any science or social science or foundation courses for 4 positions, and one is for Assami pedagogy, 1 position is there. And the essential qualification, MA in any social science with 55% of marks, okay, and MEd with 55% of marks and equivalent grade in a point scale, along with NET, SLET, SET or PhD in education, or MSc in any science with 55% of marks along with NET, SLET, SET or PhD, or MA in education with 55% of marks and BEd with 55% along with NET, SLET, SET or PhD. Coming to the education in Assami pedagogy, MA in Assami with 55% of marks and MEd with 55% along with NET, SLET, SET or PhD. And coming to this one, the schedule of the interviews online, the date or time of interview, social work 22nd December 2020, Tuesday, morning 10:30 a.m. onwards, and education 21st December 2020, morning 10 a.m. onwards, and applied sciences 18th December 2020, morning 10 a.m. onwards. So with regard to the minimum requirement of education qualification, screening, etc., relevant regulation of UCT, UGC, ACTE, NCTE will be applicable. And coming to the interested candidates are to register their names along with the detailed biodata or CV. So mentioning name, father, mother's or spouse name, permanent and correspondence address, phone number, email, date of birth, caste, sex, detailed educational qualification from 10th standard onwards, the detailed work experience, present position if working, with the details of the job nature, so etc. Along with filled in annexure 1. Okay, in the annexure 1 also some attachment is there, by email to the head of the concerned departments as stated below. So the social work candidates have to send to this mail ID and education to this one and applied science to this mail ID. So for the last date of registration or submission of application through email, okay, so 19th December, 18th December and 16th December evening 5 o'clock. And candidates who do not register shall not be interviewed. Eligible candidates who are registered shall appear before the concerned selection committee through Google Meet as per the above schedule. Okay. So these are the details, guys, and for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you may carefully check down. It is one central university where the online walk-in interviews are announced for the few departments. And coming to the second university, it is also a central university, that is Indian Maritime University. So here applications are invited for 2 posts of contract faculty in natural science and for employment of visiting faculty in natural science, mathematics, physics and English. Also for workshop instructor, 1 each on contract. The contract appointments would be for a period of 6 months initially and extendable based upon the performance. Okay. And the last date for submitting of application form is 29th December 2020. So applications along with all supporting documents has to be mailed to this mail ID, and only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. No TADA is payable for appearing the interview. So for this university, if they once called for the interview, you have to physically attend there. Okay, that means you have to go to the venue, whatever they mention. The candidates have to bring their original certificates of their education qualifications and work experience along with one set of Xerox copies of the same of verification while appearing for the interview. And the name of post is given here, and age limit is also given. So faculty in nautical science and visiting faculty, and in visiting faculty in mathematics, physics, English, workshop instructor, basic workshop, and then the workshop instructor in gas cutting or welding. So here the age limitations are also given here, so you may check down. And coming to the educational qualifications and experiences, so Masters Marine Certificate of Competency. And coming to the mathematics, MSc Mathematics with teaching experience at a degree level, completed a VSCTE, TOTA course. Candidates who have done BEd are also eligible. So here there is no UGC net qualification they are not asking here. Okay, they are just asking for the master's degree with VSCT course, completed VSCT course. The same thing in physics and MA in English. Okay, and coming to this instructor for workshop and gas welding, 3 years diploma in mechanical engineering or production engineering from any ACTE, or else the ITI trade certificate with 2 years of teaching experience in MTA or ITI or Indian Navy or engineering college would be preferred. Okay, and coming to the salary will be commensurate with qualification and experience. And coming to the salary for the faculty here, for proposed remuneration, 90,000 rupees per month for visiting faculty, 1500 rupees per hour plus conveyance, 600 per day. And this 1500 rupees per hour is depending upon the PhD candidates, and with the net or SLET or SET with 10 years of experience in or. Okay, and if the candidate is not having the PhD or not having the net or not having the SLET, okay, only post graduation along with the qualification whatever they mentioned above in the table with less than 5 years of experience, they are going to get 600 rupees per hour plus conveyance 600 rupees per day, maximum of 3 hours per day. Okay, so these are the detailed notification, guys. So one university in Indian Maritime University is also based upon the interview process, and while coming to the Tejpur University is based upon the online walk-in interview process. So Tejpur University requires UGC net SLET or SET or PhD qualification, but while coming to the Indian Maritime it's not necessary. Okay, so whatever the qualifications mentioned here, post graduation with some other extra qualification, so those things are enough. And the payments are different for the qualified candidates, UGC net PhD or SLET qualified candidates, and not qualified candidates, the payments are different here. Okay, so these are the 2 notifications, guys, and to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC net exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.